Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet an oak leaf. This project is super fun and easy. For this, you'll just need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that stitch. So to get started, we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain of the row, we are going to work 1 double crochet. Then we will turn our work, chain 3, and we will work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then we will turn our work, chain 3, and we're going to work 1 double crochet in the next stitch, followed by working a double crochet in the chain 3 space from the row below. Next, we are going to chain 6, and in the 3rd chain from the hook, we are going to work a double crochet, followed by working 6 more double crochets down the row. And your last double crochet for the row, number 6, is going to be in the chain 3 space from the previous row. All right, now we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 6 again. And this is going to be just like the previous row. In the 3rd chain from the hook, you're going to work a double crochet, followed by 6 more double crochets down the row. Finishing off your last double crochet, not in a chain 3 space. You'll end up leaving a chunk of the work unfinished, and this will give this project its oak leaf design. So we are going to turn our work, and we are going to chain 6. We are going to work a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, followed by working 7 double crochets down the row. Then we are going to turn our work, chain 6, and in the 3rd chain from the hook, we are going to work a double crochet, followed by working 7 more double crochets down the row. All right, then we are going to chain 6, and in the 3rd chain from the hook, we are going to work a double crochet, followed by double crocheting in the next 7 stitches. This is a little bit of a repeating back and forth, but it ends up giving it such a beautiful texture and look. and it makes it super easy to crochet. So we got 3 on one side, we got 2 on the other, so this is our last side. And again, we are going to chain 6, and in the 3rd chain from the hook, we are going to work a double crochet, followed by double crocheting in the next 7 stitches. All right, so let's go ahead and finish this off. We are going to chain 3, and we are going to work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then we are going to turn our work, chain 3. We're going to work a 3 double crochet together, if I can even say it. And there you have it. That is how you crochet an oak leaf pattern. Super fun. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.